Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to organize my Apple Music. So first one is open the Apple Music application into your device. And from here guys, you will have multiple categories over here in your library, and you can just simply select the three dots on the top and edit shortcuts. And from here, you can add another category by just simply checking on them, and it will be on your library. So pretty much over here, you can categorize your music based on your preferences. And now you can select albums as well. And from here, you can just simply select the three dots on the top right to sort out the musics. And when you create a new playlist, just simply go to playlist and select the plus icon on the top right. And from here, you should be able to name your playlist, and you can also add a picture for a playlist and just simply select create, and you can add the music into it. And pretty much you should be able to organize it here. See ya.